Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix hang and restart problem in Huawei Nova 16. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.